worse than germs. A whole bunch of them. The fact is, our gadgets are dirtier than a toilet seat. Gross. Sanitizers, wet wipes, paper towels, they come in all shapes and forms. It's a huge industry. And they really, really want you to believe that these products are harmless, reusable, washable, miraculously reincarnatable. I think that's a word. But are they really? More than 80,000 trees are cut daily in the US alone to make napkins. And yeah, sure, synthetic wet wipes are biodegradable, give or take a couple hundred years. What if there was a way to kill germs and also save the planet? Splash does that. It's lightweight and portable, and it can be used over and over and over and over and over. Look, you're doing a great job investing in eco-friendly and reusable things like cutlery, straws, swabs, cups. They're all helping nature until you, well, need to clean them. I mean, you don't just put them back in your pocket, right? Right. And that's what Splash is for. To keep your sustainables sustainable. And when you're on the go, Splash keeps your hands and the earth a bit cleaner. It refills in seconds, and each refill could save hundreds of wipes and napkins. You are literally saving a forest. It's easy to carry, so you can take it anywhere. Outdoors, gym, airplanes, and even your favorite beach. If you suck responsibly, clean the sucker responsibly. Ew, did I just say that? Please, kill germs responsibly.